centered week that is organized as part of our campaigns to encourage the sustainable utilization of energy and minerals in our country, and it has been held annually for the past 18 years. And the ministry has organized the Energy and Minerals Week to specifically provide information regarding the sector progress and achievement. We also target to create awareness amongst Ugandans and our neighbors regarding the opportunities in the energy and mineral sector. 3, we organize this week to provide a platform for issue-based dialogue and engagements amongst all the stakeholders. And the last one is to provide a platform for the promotion of the efficiency and rational utilization of energy and mineral resources. Efficiency and rational utilization of this resource, God-given resource. So the theme for this year's Energy Week is centered on energy and minerals for sustainable growth. And the theme was carefully chosen with a focus of disseminating information in relation to strides made towards achieving the national development priorities with respect to the energy and mineral sector. We've just concluded the Mineral Wealth Conference, which was a regional conference that took place in Kampala, Serena, where we were focusing on value addition on our minerals. Minerals and the energy work together. They complement each other. So next week, we are going to focus on energy and mineral utilization. So the energy and mineral sector is a key sector which contributes immensely to Uganda's economic development. Energy such as electricity, petroleum, petrol, diesel, oil, and other forms including solar, wind, firewood, charcoal, geothermal, nuclear, drive production in any country. Phosphate that we use to generate fertilizers that we need to rejuvenate our soils, we have plenty of that. We have cobalt in Chirembe. You know what we can make from cobalt. It is needed to make cathodes and all that which is required in manufacturing of cars. We have it in Chirembe. We have the iron ore now, where people are scrambling for it, and I'm happy to note that we have started seeing value addition in iron ore. We have more than 3 companies that are really smelting iron ore, and we are getting products from iron ore from Uganda. We have that. Of course, we have gold. We have uranium. We have lithium. We have vermiculite. We have tin, tungsten, tantalite. We have many. But we don't want to just talk about it without seeing their contribution towards socio-economic development of the country. So we talk about this so that we make awareness to Ugandans, because exploitation of these resources require interacting with the project-affected people. So if you don't tell them the importance of this exploitation, then we make the whole development delay. So a number of activities have been planned to take place during this Energy and Minerals Week 2023. And these include 1, the Energy and Minerals Exhibition 2023. And this will be held at Akamwesi shopping mall in Chebando, Gaza Road, from the 13th to the 18th of November 2023. It is aimed at providing a platform to the business community to showcase the technologies, the products, and services within the energy, mineral, and petroleum sectors to the general public. And the exhibition will feature falling in categories such as power and electricals, energy efficiency and energy management, new and renewable energies, petroleum energy technologies,